Hello. This is going to be a different video. I want to showcase these speaking Rugrats dolls. We got Angelica here. And
wanna play some more?
Tommy. He's very good interrupting. Angelica squeaks and just makes that sound. And also her hair moves when you put...
I'm ready for a nap. That was fun! See you later! Let's go on an adventure! Come on, we could play pirates. Come on, let's get some cookies.
Unfortunately, I don't have any, Tommy.
Everybody, we could go on another adventure. I got an idea. Let's play on the slide.
There isn't any playgrounds around here, Tommy.
Wow! Spike, that's a great idea. Come on, we could pretend we're indivisible. You want to play? Hey, I promise we'll always be the bestest friends. Come on, let's play. You want to play? Come on, let's play hide and seek. Come on, we could play pirates. This is the funniest thing I ever saw. Wow. Chucky, a baby's gotta do what a baby's gotta do. Let's go on another adventure. Hi, feeling little? Angelica's being a bully.
She really is.
Hey, you guys, we could go to the North Pole.
Unfortunately, there's no land there.
Angelica, we gotta do it.
Unfortunately, this Angelica doll here doesn't speak. He just does like this. These are my Rugrats dolls. I don't normally have them on. I only have them on for the video.
Wanna play some more?
He's really good at interrupting. Alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully you will like, subscribe, and follow me on social media. Support me by buying from my stores or donating to my Able account. Links are in the link tree.
I'm ready for a nap. That was fun. See you later.